Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make some cake pops. Super easy and simple to do. This is my first time doing a voiceover, so please bear with me. So yeah, let's get right into it. We're gonna start off by mixing our cake with some buttercream. The amount of buttercream depends on your cake. You'll know that you'll have the perfect mix when your cake sticks together. These molds I got off of Amazon. These are the molds that I'll be using. They're super easy to use, honestly. So we start off by taking a piece of our cake and adding it to our mold. Make sure that you get your like the right amount of cake, because if you don't, then your cake pops won't look good, like, at all. It's happened to me before. So yeah, you're just gonna repeat this step and make sure you fill every single piece. After it's done, like after you're done filling all of it, you're gonna close it and you're gonna put in the fridge for about an hour to 2 hours, maybe 3. And you're gonna keep it in there for that long because you want to make sure that when you dip your cake pops in the chocolate, they won't fall off of the stick. Next, this is the mold that I'll be using to make my little animals with fondant. I have white fondant and green fondant. This part it's pretty easy. You just get a piece of fondant of your desired color and just put it into you know, like the little design, and just like squeeze it down. Make sure you get every single like piece, or else your like design won't look right. Once you do that, just pop it out, and this is what it looks like. I forgot to mention that I'm not wearing gloves for some of the clips, because when I'm working with fondant, it's honestly hard because the gloves that I have, they stick onto the fondant. So I just wanted to make that clear. My hands are clean. I wash them every time that I went to touch the fondant. I just wanted to just throw it out there. My hands are clean. This little container, you could fill up with either powdered sugar or with cornstarch. You could put it on your mold, on your hands, and on the fondant. This is to prevent sticky fondant. Sticky fondant happens when you add the food coloring, obviously to make it whatever color you want, and the fondant will become sticky. This prevents it from sticking to literally anywhere. I absolutely love it, and it's amazing. Then we're going to use our highlighter dust to paint over our little animals. This highlighter dust in specific, I absolutely love, and I recommend it 110%. It's honestly the best because you don't have to mix it with like vodka or anything. Like, you don't mix it with anything. You just literally get it out of the little container and just brush it onto your fondant, and it works magic. I love it so much. I'll be using these paper straws for my cake pops. I got them at the Dollar Tree. This is the chocolate that I use. It's honestly the best white chocolate. It's obviously from Walmart, and it's amazing. Break it down into pieces so it can melt faster, and make sure to add your shortening. So when you first put your chocolate in the microwave, put 30 seconds, take it out, mix it. That was what I showed in the first clip. Then put it back in the microwave for 30 seconds, and then that's the second clip. You see that it still has bumps. You want to put it in for another either 15 or 30 seconds, and make sure it's that consistency. And then make sure you add your chocolate into a deep bowl so your cake pops fit perfectly. Now that your chocolate is already melted, you want to take two little, like half of the cake pops, and stick them together. Like, make sure they fit right. They don't have any bumps on the side or anything. Then you're gonna add chocolate to the middle, like as you see in the clip. Make sure you do this step fast, because if you don't, your chocolate will harden because your cake pop is cold. You want to like curl like your hand to make sure your cake pop fits perfectly there. You're gonna add chocolate to your stick and kind of like twist it, and like as you're twisting it, like push it like in. If you just like push down on the stick, your cake pop might crack and it won't work. So that's why I do like the twisting method. And then you're just gonna repeat everything for all of your other cake pops. Okay, so after you let your cake pops sit for a couple minutes, now we're ready to dip into the chocolate. You know, just dip it normal. And then to get the extra chocolate off, you want to get like both your hands and put it like on the stick and just rub. To be extra safe, I just like kind of shake it side to side a little bit. Be gentle with this part, because if you shake it too hard, your cake pop may fall off of the stick. It's happened to me before when I first started, and it's honestly a mess. And to be extra safe that I got all of the extra chocolate off, I scrape the bottom, and then just repeat the same steps for the rest of your cake pops. Now we're gonna start adding our leaves. Measure to where you want your leaf to be, and then just add a little bit of chocolate to your leaf, and then just stick it on. Make sure you add enough chocolate to where your leaf actually sticks. If not, it will fall off. And then just do the same thing for your little animals, and then just place it wherever you think it'll look right. And yeah, just repeat this for all of your other cake pops. Then to just add a little bit more like decoration to it, I decided to add these little edible papers to my cake pops. It's pretty simple. You don't need water, you don't need glue or anything. You just like stick it on and just like rub it a little bit, and it'll easily just stick on. I did this for all of my cake pops. So yeah, this is the end of the video. This is the finished product. I absolutely love them. Let me know what you guys think. I do have another video coming for you guys. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.